Good morning all. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss the next topic in packaging. Session 4, I was discussing session 4 packaging. Today I will discuss packaging decisions. So here's the question, how to we decide which packaging is better for our product. So we can say packaging is an important component, means important part for a product. As an attractive packaging, the most important factor as an attractive packaging is the most important factor in impulse purchase. Here impulse means impulse goods. As I told you in session 2, impulse goods and impulse purchases are those for those products when we don't have any plan, when we don't make any planning and selling efforts, thinking efforts before planning it. Those products are called impulse products or impulse purchase. For example, chocolates. So similarly, when we are purchasing something for impulse reason, so packaging should be attractive. The basic function of pack are to attract the potential customer. Yes, the reason for packaging is customer attraction. Also to protect the product. It is an essential tool for two categories of people. As first, end user. End user means consumer of product, and second one, retailer means shopkeeper. So packaging is important for end user means consumer and retailer or shopkeeper also. So there can be different packaging decision as packaging design, attractive color, packaging the product line. I will discuss one by one. Packaging design. So which design do you select for your product? It's called packaging design. It's not easy to design a package for various items. For example, all hand wash come in bottles. Yes, everyone follows packaging of hand wash in bottle, but different brand has different kind of packaging also. In bottle also there are varieties by different brands. Similarly, as cost is of high cost is there for making bottles again and again, then refill packs are also available for customer. Similarly, customer will have price effectiveness. He or she will not have to purchase bottle again and again. He or she can purchase refill pack also. Second, color, attractive color. Yeah, color also influence packaging decisions, and it also influence customer acceptance or rejection. Similarly, written over here, color plays an important role in determining customer acceptance or rejection of product. The use of right colors. Yeah, there should be right colors. Means bright color which are attractive should be there, so that it may aid or help in promoting the sales. जिससे कि हमारी सेल्स बढ़ जाए. इफ़ कलर्स आर अट्रैक्टिव, पैकेजिंग इज अट्रैक्टिव, सेल्स कैन इंक्रीज. लास्ट, पैकेजिंग द प्रोडक्ट लाइन. आई ऑलरेडी डिस्कस पैकेज प्रोडक्ट लाइन इन सेशन 1 of unit 1. Product line means similar kind of products or identical products. Note down, identical or similar products. Similarly, written over here, a company must decide whether to develop a family or similar kind of packaging for all products, or it involve the use of identical for all product or use of packaging with some common feature. Yeah, some companies make brands with similar kind of packaging, or they do packaging differently with some common feature also. For example, Lakme, L18. So what is your packaging decision? It also matters customer acceptance and decision. So packaging decision must also be according to package design, color and product line, so that customer get attracts towards your product and he or she buys your product. Okay, thank you for listening.